Hey everybody, my name is Marika, and today we're going to talk about the suite of AI tools that Sonix is bringing right to a computer near you. Here are all of Sonix AI analysis tools that we'll cover today. Don't worry, I'll take you through each one so you don't miss a thing. You know, back when I was graduating from college, it's not important exactly when, AI just wasn't a thing. And I can't lie, I really could have used it for some stuff. Like my commencement speaker. She was amazing and insightful, but I just didn't have a way to quickly transcribe and summarize her speech. That's just one of the things that Sonix AI could have made easier for me back then. So let's take a look at all the AI tools that Sonix has to offer and how to use them on a few famous commencement speeches. We'll start by using our AI to create a summary of a transcript. So first, find the video you'd like to summarize. I've already uploaded my videos here, so we'll use the Steve Jobs commencement speech from Stanford as an example. Have you heard of this guy? He's kind of a big deal. Once you've opened the transcript, click AI Analysis in the navigation bar to open your AI menu. Then select Generate Summary and choose whether you'd like your summary to be in paragraph or list form, and then how many sentences your summary should be. Click Generate Summary again, and there it is. You can quickly copy that summary to your clipboard, or maybe if it's a little too summarizey, you can create another one with different rules. All of the summaries you create will be saved under the summary tool for this video, so you can always come back later to review them. Now let's use our AI to create chapters for this video. Chapters will break up your transcript into sections and give you timestamps, headings, and a short description for each section. It's like your own personal Cliff's Notes for each and every video. From the AI Analysis menu, click Create Chapters, and in a few seconds, your transcript will be broken into succinct, organized sections, giving you a perfect overview of the major talking points and when they occur. You can copy this to your clipboard to use elsewhere, or regenerate the chapters if you'd like a different take. You can also use our AI to perform sentiment analysis, which detects the emotional tone of your transcript and provides timestamps for each time that tone changes. Isn't that wild? Incidentally, sentiment analysis is also something I run on my boyfriend's face every time I ask him to watch something that isn't The Patriots. From the AI Analysis menu, click Sentiment Analysis. Now you can see the full range of emotions in this speech, broken down by specific stories with individualized timestamps. One section may be entirely positive, while in another story, you can see that he begins on a negative note and then kind of lightens up again by the end. We'll use our AI to run Thematic Analysis next, which uncovers high-level themes, topics, and patterns within the transcript. When you choose the Thematic Analysis option, you'll see some high-level themes with their relevant timestamps, and you'll also find a summary of the major themes at the bottom of the analysis. Apparently, AI thinks this speech is a rich tapestry of anecdotes and life lessons. Fancy! To quickly identify and categorize topics in transcripts, choose the Topic Detection option. This will create an outline of the topics covered in the transcript, comprehensive summaries and keywords, and each topic's timestamp. Entity Detection can recognize and categorize people, places, and things mentioned in your transcripts, along with their relationships and timestamps. When you select this tool, you'll see in this case it pulls out high-level topics again, but also calls out the people, the organizations, the locations, the products, and the dates. You'll even get a rundown of the relationships between these entities. For example, Steve Jobs and Apple, and how he co-founded the company before being fired. Awkward. The AI will also break down how each entity fits into the transcript contextually. Finally, you can create your own custom questions and prompts. This one is my favorite. Just select Custom Prompt from the AI menu and enter your prompt, and the more detailed, the better. For example, we'll ask if the AI can tell a new graduate what lessons they should take from this speech, and maybe even generate some 1 and 5 and 10-year life plans out of it. Honestly, where was this when I was graduating? In just a few seconds, you'll have your AI suggestions derived right from Steve's speech, encouraging you to spend your first year keeping an open mind and building a network, all the way through considering leadership and your legacy by year 10. Big stuff. Now, the coolest thing about all of this is you can use almost all of these AI tools on multiple transcripts at once, which not only saves time, but also allows the AI to consider all of the transcripts for things like the custom prompt feature. So from your home page, just select the folder that stores the transcripts you'd like to use. Then click that little brain button and just choose what you'd like our AI to generate. So let's try a custom prompt again and ask it to synthesize the great life lessons from all of these commencement speeches. So now you can see that AI was able to consider all of the content from our list of speeches and pull out the major takeaways that they had in common. Pretty cool, huh? So what are you waiting for? Go try out the AI analysis tools for yourself and see how they take your transcripts to the next level.